This is Wythenshawe Park on the hottest day of the year in 2022. It's actually the evening, it was after 9 p.m. and there wasn't a soul about. You can see how arid the land is. It has been really hot for a few days. That's the hall from the back with the courtyard cafe just at the bottom right. And then, as if by magic, there's the front of the hall from above. So this is flying over. There's some beautiful gardens behind the hall, well worth a visit. This is again the courtyard cafe, lovely place to take your children for an ice cream and to have a coffee or a bacon butty. That's what was the rose gardens. And then you're just going to be flying over me here, just near the bowling greens, that little dot. And then we're going towards the new bike tracks, which really taking shape now. There's been a lot of activity there, but obviously not tonight because it was so hot. There's the new newly laid car park and the two new tracks. I'm sorry I've not got the proper technical names for those tracks. This is part of the sort of perimeter path, and then let's take you back across the bike tracks. I have had a go on these and they're such good fun. That's the top bit that everybody starts at, and then this is looking out towards Northenden. This is the main entrance road there with the avenue of trees. You can see the new circumference paths going through the woods there to the left, and then this would be the gatehouses on the left there. So now I'm just coming back. The lighting isn't brilliant because it was going dusk and there was a sunset here, so I'm shooting into the sun. But I'm really pleased with this drone. It's really nice. Hope you've enjoyed this quick video and say hi.